Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Hana again. So today I'm gonna show you the gift I bought for myself, and I'm very excited to unbox it in front of you guys. So please stay tuned. So we are here. Where are you? No, you are allowed, but one by one. I want us to go together, but they said that it should be one by one. Oh.
They're going together, but the one is not
Yeah. Let's see how. I actually have a lot of option here, but this one is out of stock already. It's 3,199, but my next option is this one, this color. And the price is 4,399. It's 2020 model MacBook Air. I think I'm gonna choose this one kasi wala eh. Tada! This is my first ever MacBook I bought with my own money. Yes, it's MacBook 2020 model. The gold color. Yes, it's a rose gold color. I'm so in love with this MacBook. Honestly, I'm gonna tell you the story about it. I went to Mac Studio with my friend. I actually planned to buy the 2018 MacBook Air, the silver one. But then I saw this gold one, and it's really like, you know, it catch my eye. I can't stop myself buying this rose gold. Yes, it's a rose gold MacBook Air 13-inch 2020 model. And this one I bought is the 256 SSD with the 8 gig memory. And the good thing about it is fingerprint siya. Yes, mga zay, it's a fingerprint. I'm really excited to register my fingerprints in this laptop. And all right, I'm gonna unbox it to you guys, so let's open it together. If you are excited, I'm very much excited also. So here it is. Oh wait, I'm gonna show you the specs here. I don't know if you can see it there. Okay, never mind, I'm gonna attach the photo. I'm gonna snap the specs and attach in this side. Yes, in this side, so you can see what's the specs. So let's open it, guys. I don't know how I'm gonna open it in front of you since my camera is too high. Okay, I think like this. Hold on, guys, I'm gonna adjust my camera. Yes, so let's open it together. So here it is. Ito yung gusto ko sa Mac, it's easy to open. So it's, if you can see guys, it's still sealed. Simula nung binili ko to, I did not open it kasi nga I'm gonna unbox it in front of you. So okay, let's open it together. Okay, I'll do it like this. Okay, let's open together. Ta-da! I'm so excited, I swear. Oh my god, let's do it slowly kasi baka maibagsak natin siya at magsisi tayo. It's not that cheap actually. It's costly. This is 256 gig and it cost me like 4,399 ringgit. Yes, around 52,000 pesos, but it's okay since it's my gift to myself and I think I deserve this MacBook. I'm so excited. Sorry, hold on. I'm gonna open it slowly. Oh, this is what inside the box. Ito ang bungad sa inyo. The gold color MacBook. Oh my god. Yes, so okay, slowly let's pull it out. Yes. Oh, hold on. It's so thin. Napakanipis niya, and it's light, not too heavy. And okay, let's remove the plastic so we can see the real color of this MacBook. Ito yung pinaka-favorite kong color. Actually, it's rose gold. You know why I select the rose gold? Because I want to pair it with my iPhone. You know, my iPhone 11 Pro Max, it's a gold color. Hindi sila totally the same, but at least it's close. Oh my god, very nice. Okay, I'll open it to you. Okay, I'm not gonna open it now. Hold on first. I'm gonna put this one here, and I'm gonna show you what else inside the box. Since this is unboxing, so this is the rest. I have the cable wire for the charger, and also the warranty card. I think it's the warranty card. I don't know, but since it's a gold color, so I'm expecting the gold sticker as well. Hold on, let's find it. I hope there is a sticker. Yes, it's a gold color sticker. Yun na nga, gold na nga po. Since the item is gold, so of course they're gonna give us the sticker, and it's gold color also. So let's put it back. And other thing inside the box, yung charger niya, ito, and this one, and nothing. Yun lang pong laman ng box. That's the only thing inside the box. So you have to connect these two. Okay, it's like this. Let's remove the plastic first. Excited. And then connect. Yes. And this is the original charger. So pag original charger, fast charging siya. Okay. Alright, so let's put it back, and let's go back to the main. What is that? Okay, hold on. Let's close the box. Since the MacBook is new, I'm gonna set it up. Yeah, it needs to set up. Oh, okay, there's another cover here. Okay, nakita nyo, automatic on. You can see the ring light there. Alright, this is how it looks like, guys. Ganito siya kanipes. You see? And the color. Oh, there's one thing I noticed. The touchpad is more wider compared to the old one. Okay, let's set up first, guys. Okay. So, okay, guys, I'm gonna show you how to set it up. So, you have to select the language first.
To use British English as the main language.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Alright, I'm selecting the English. And then next is okay, it's still loading. By using the software, you agree to terms and conditions. Okay, it's asking for the country, and I'm gonna put Malaysia since I am here in Malaysia. So hold on. I'll set it up first, guys, so you can see.
Mac OS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac.
Malaysia.
If you would like to learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the Escape key.
Okay, continue. English Malaysia, English Singapore. Okay, it's showing me other thing here. So let me customize. Okay, just English Malaysia. Okay, I think everything is okay. So continue. So now I have to connect to the Wi-Fi. Alright, hold on. I'm gonna type the Wi-Fi first. I'm not sure if this is the right password because I'm only using this house Wi-Fi, so I hope it will connect. Okay. Alright, so continue. Just click continue. How do you want to transfer your information? From a Mac, Mac, start up this from a Windows PC. Don't transfer any information now. Okay, so I'm gonna select the don't transfer any information now. So continue. Apple ID. So now this Apple ID, I'm gonna put my old Apple ID. So hold on. So guys, I have put my Apple ID already, so it's loading. Let's wait for a while. So okay, so this is how easy to set up a MacBook Air. So later I'm gonna register my fingerprints here. This small square there, that's the power button. So I'm gonna register my fingerprints. I'm so excited to register my fingerprints, honestly. So I don't need to you know, like type my password. It's easy for me to open this and use this, just you know, like putting my fingerprints there. So we finished unboxing my MacBook Air. So thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoy. So after 2 weeks, I'm gonna upload another video for my final review about my MacBook Air. I'm gonna tell you guys my experience, what's good thing about it and what's bad, I don't know yet. So I'm gonna explore it first for 2 weeks, and then later I'll soon upload my review about this. Thank you so much guys for always watching my videos. Please like and subscribe. Bye.